BandLab versus Cubasis. Which mobile DAW is better explores how choosing the right mobile digital audio workstation can elevate your music production without complex setups. Both offer powerful tools, but with distinct approaches to workflow and features. BandLab and Cubasis are top mobile DAWs designed for music creation on the go. BandLab is cloud-based with strong collaboration features, while Cubasis focuses on a traditional, feature-rich offline recording and editing experience. The key difference is online collaboration versus standalone power. BandLab is a free cloud-based mobile DAW that integrates music creation, collaboration, and social sharing in one platform. It works by syncing your projects online, allowing seamless access from any device. Its strengths include unlimited cloud storage, real-time collaboration with other musicians, and an easy-to-use interface with built-in instruments and effects. BandLab also supports mastering and publishing directly from the app. However, it requires a stable internet connection for full functionality and may lack some advanced editing features found in traditional DAWs. BandLab is ideal for musicians who want to create, collaborate, and share music effortlessly, especially those who value community interaction and cloud convenience. Cubasis is a premium mobile DAW developed by Steinberg, designed for detailed audio recording, editing, and mixing on iOS and Android devices. It operates as a standalone app, allowing users to work offline with professional-grade tools such as multi-track recording, MIDI support, automation, and a wide range of effects and virtual instruments. Cubasis shines in its precise control over audio editing and mixing, mirroring desktop DAW workflows. Its limitations include a higher price point and the absence of integrated cloud collaboration features. Cubasis is perfect for musicians and producers seeking a comprehensive, hands-on mobile studio experience without relying on internet connectivity. BandLab excels in collaborative projects where musicians want to work together remotely, share ideas instantly, and publish music directly. Its cloud-based model suits creators who prioritize accessibility and social integration. On the other hand, Cubasis offers a more traditional DAW environment with advanced editing and mixing tools, ideal for detailed production work offline. While BandLab simplifies collaboration, Cubasis provides deeper control over sound design and arrangement. Choosing between them depends on your workflow. If you need constant connectivity and teamwork, BandLab is the better fit. For focused, professional-level production without internet dependence, Cubasis stands out. Choose BandLab if you want free, cloud-based collaboration with easy sharing and a social music community that enhances your creative process. Opt for Cubasis if you require a powerful offline mobile DAW with professional recording and mixing features. Both apps serve different needs, so pick the one that fits your creative style and workflow for the best mobile music production experience.